Today I will show you how you can remove a notification virus, like a Tabula or other like that software, on the Xperia 5 Mark IV. So, in the first step, if you see something like that in your web browser or something like that in your notification bar, that means you have a notification software. So, we can try to remove it by using the settings and go to the apps, then go to the all apps and choose your web browser. Then go to the storage and cache and choose manage space. Now just tap on clear all data. Then go back to the settings and check that you have any unwanted app or any app that you have not installed before. If you see something like that, just tap on it and choose uninstall, and your phone should be free from the notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can always try to download antivirus app. In my case it will be Avast. Of course you can choose other app, but remember to choose trusted company. So we have to launch it now. There, tap on continue with free and continue as free again. Now tap on start scan and allow permissions. Go back to the Avast and choose the regular or the deep scan. And now I was looking for the viruses and other software, and after the restart it will be deleted. That's it. Thanks for watching. Be safe in the internet and goodbye.